Are you expecting your first baby? Feeling overwhelmed with advice, baby books, and endless Google searches? Sleepless nights, endless baby cries, and the fear of the unknown. It's normal, but what if I told you, you don't have to figure it out alone? Most first time moms struggle with the same challenges. How do I prepare for labor? How do I know if my baby is getting enough milk? Why won't my newborn sleep? How do I heal from birth and still care for my baby? And the worst part? The information online is confusing and sometimes even contradictory. That's why I created The Journey into Motherhood, the complete step by step course that guides you through pregnancy, labor, postpartum, and newborn care. Inside, you'll learn how to prepare for labor and create a birth plan, step by step postpartum recovery guide, newborn sleep and feeding strategies that actually work, how to handle colic, baby cries, and first time mom worries. This course gives you the expert guidance that doctors, midwives, and experience. This course gives you the expert guidance that doctors, midwives, and experienced moms wish they had known before birth. And you're not alone. Hundreds of moms have already taken this course and now feel confident and ready for their journey into motherhood. Plus, when you enroll today, you'll get a free baby care planner and exclusive access to our supportive mom community, where you can connect with other new moms just like you. This is a limited time offer. Spots are filling fast, so don't miss your chance to feel fully prepared for motherhood. Click the link below and start your journey into motherhood with confidence.